my video cut out. What is happening with my life? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've been filming these videos on my phone and then using a microphone hooked up to my laptop. And it's been working fine using that, so I don't know what happened this time, but yes, my video stopped recording. So, ta-da! It's magically done. So, we could just do a quick recap just kind of what else I planned this week. So, what I saw was the last thing on there was that I started putting James's work schedule on there because he's going to be working at the store this week. So, things are starting to shift back to a weird new normal that we've got going on. So I was putting that in there. Scotty still has Taekwondo 4 days this week. I believe next week is when they're actually going to open the Taekwondo school back up, but they're still not sure how they're going to do that, trying to keep kids separated from each other and still practice safe social distancing. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to work out. Wednesday is still my slow day. Take out the trash. Thursday, Scotty has his kindergarten awards. I think they're going to be doing that online. She hasn't quite told us what exactly we're going to be doing, but that's what we're going to be doing that day. Friday, nothing except Taekwondo. Saturday, we've got Taekwondo. I'm going to pick up groceries this week. Now that James is back to work, I can't go to the grocery store by myself. And since the grocery stores are now back to being mostly fully stocked, I feel comfortable doing a pickup order and doing meal planning again, so we'll do that on Saturday. I'm going to film on Saturday. Today is actually Sunday. I'm filming on Mother's Day because I didn't film yesterday because yesterday was really busy. But I plan on filming next Saturday, editing next Sunday, and then uploading the following Monday. And yeah, this is my week. I'm so bummed the video cut out. I've been sitting here talking to myself like a goober with no one listening except my microphone. Well. So yeah, this is all we've got going on, and it means this video isn't going to be that long, which will be nice. And I think my husband just cursed in the background, and it's because he's playing a video game and he gets very into it when he's playing. Anyway, hope y'all didn't hear that. I guess I'll see that when I'm editing. But thank you for watching this weird plan with me. Maybe next week it'll be better. We're saving up to buy a new camera. We're saving up to buy a real camera because my husband likes to do videos. He builds knives. He makes knives. So he does videos for that and posts them on YouTube. And his stuff is a lot of, he needs to film for long periods of time because it's a long process. Whereas, I can do a plan with me in less than 30 minutes and be done. Whereas he's out there for hours shaping and grinding and doing all that stuff with his knives. So hopefully we'll get a new camera because that sucks. I feel like I need to do this super fast or else the camera's going to cut away and I'm not going to be able to say all the things I wanted to say. I said so much during this. Oh my gosh. After that part where I was like, I don't know what I'm going to say, suddenly I dove into a lot of things. But yeah, I guess we'll just go over that stuff next week. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment. Let me know if there's other videos you want to watch. Let me know if this was nice, just not having to see me plan my whole planner, or if you're kind of bummed that my phone locked on me. Ooh. Yeah, that happened. Okay. Oh, I gotta calm down about that. I'm just angry. Anyway, back on topic. Yes, thank you. Please subscribe. And I will see you guys next week for next week's plan with me that is hopefully a full video. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.